to a brand new Roblox video, and today I am playing Punch Simulator. I'm gonna try and punch Val because it blanks me! Like, why does it blank me?
Wait, let me try it on you. Come here. Let me try it on you. Come here. Stop moving. Come here. Okay. Hold on.
Ah!
What the heck?
I don't get why it blanks me when I try to hit you.
I have super spring.
Wait, can I try and punch this tree?
I have
Ah! Wait, Val, I was trying to punch a tree.
I have super spring. Where'd it go?
I can't punch a
Where'd it go?
tree. Wait, can I?
This is good.
Nope. What about a rock? Doesn't work. Oh my god! I have never played this game before. That's why I'm so weak. Oh! Frick! Oh no! Oh my goodness gracious!
I just flung someone out of existence. Hey, dude.
Who was it?
You got.
I just got killed!
That's right. I'm gonna help you fight these enemies.
Hold on. I'm getting like tons of powers now.
No, seriously, where are you? I want to help you. Doc, where are you?
I have no clue. I'm in World 2, but I don't know where. I'm gonna go back to World 1. Meet me there.
I'm gonna help you, best friend.
Wait, hold on. I need to
Where
find
you
some walls because I wanna try and punch something. Ah!
That was an accident. I tried to move.
Yeah. Frick it. Frick. It's mine! Oh, I just got a rank up!
Oh no.
Dude! Oh my god, Val. I'm getting so much power right now. I think I can go into World 3 now.
My game. Hold on, wait for me. My game froze, so I have to leave.
Alright, wait, can I try and... Ooh. Wait, I'm gonna go back to World 1 real quick. Oh, wait, there's
Okay.
walls. I can try and... I'm gonna see if I
I'll see
can
you
punch
there.
them.
Jack, I'll see you there.
Yo!
One.
I just punched the biggest hole ever. I just punched like a big hole.
Wait, you just punched a what?
A hole.
The size of what?
I don't know, it's like, but my holes are getting bigger.
Jack, where are you? Come here.
Hold on.
Where
You
are
see
you?
this?
Where?
You're seeing this, right?
Hold on.
Imagine being this strong in real life, Al.
Jack, where are you actually? I don't see you.
Punching
in World
walls.
1. I don't see you. You're not in World 1.
I'm in World 2, Val. No! Wait, can I try and punch you now?
No. No.
Wait, Val, let me
Yeah.
try and punch you. It doesn't usually work with me.
Okay.
Why does it fling me when I get punched? When I punch you?
I don't know.
Ah!
There you are. Jack, look at my hose.
I just died.
So did I. Someone killed me.
Same. I'm a strong human. Bam. Oh man, the man, but you can't do it like I can. Bam. Oh man, the man, can do a zombie land. Bam!
Jack, where are you?
I just
are you in?
2.
Okay, I don't see you.
Do you see it? There's like a hole.
The big hole? You're in the big hole?
There's a small one that I was already in.
I
see the small one I was already in.
I see your best friend.
Yeah, that was not recording, unfortunately. He doesn't know how, and whenever he does, but when he goes to set it up, it kicks him off. So I can go to the next area. I'm pretty sure.
Stop moving it. Stop moving.
No, I'm gonna go to the next area. Oh! Ew, what is this area?
It's nothing. It's a swamp.
It looks disgusting. There's like mud everywhere.
Wait, come here. I want to see how strong their power is. Try and hit me. I want to see how strong their power is.
Why does it fling me when I fling you? What the heck?
It's like I have a force field or something.
Are you just doing that for my screams?
No, I'm bored. I'm already on World 4. I'm bored.
How much have you played this game? Jeez!
A lot?
Dude, what the heck? This dude! Dude, what the heck? This dude is so annoying.
Where are you?
In World 4, in World 1, in World 3 still!
I'm trying to hit you. Where are you? Oh, I see you! Best friend!
I just got 150 powers.
Wait, come here. I want a hug. Where are you going?
I know what you're gonna do, but...
No, that was an accident. I just want a hug. It was because I was moving. Okay, I'm sorry. You can hit me too. You can hit me then.
If I'm able to, it's probably gonna throw me. See? It throws me!
No! I got you into a corner and no! You stole it!
That was a big one over here!
No! Get away from mine! Okay, Jack, I'm sorry.
Dude! Dude, that's a big... Are you excited to see my reaction when you watch this video?
Oh, big one, run! No, you stole the big one from me!
I'll punch a hole for another one. That was a big one! Stop killing me!
I can't. It's so hilarious. I'm sorry. Sorry, best friend. Okay.
Big one! I'm heading for it.
Try and punch me.
Hold
Let's
on,
see
I
how
gotta get
strong
this
you are.
big one real quick.
Yeah, my big one!
Not all the big ones are yours, Val.
Yes, they are! I have claimed this land, money.
Val, I need the big ones to get stronger.
Here, I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna help you dig.
There's a big one. Oh, I want to see how far I can punch now. Dude, I just punched a big hole. Look at that. Can I try to punch you now?
Sure.
Maybe it works. No, it still doesn't work. I still get flung when I try to punch you.
And when I punch you, you get flung.
I'm digging down more for big ones. That was yours, because you dug for it. Ooh, next world. I'm gonna go dig for more.
Jack, see if you have enough to get to the next world. See if you have enough.
Alright, let's see. Rank up! Yes, I can go! I think I can go. Yes!
Oh, Jack, where are you? Where are you? What about you? Yeah.
Wait, Val, can I try? I'm gonna try and punch a rock. Dude!
I barely do it.
Wait, Val, can I try and fling you? Val, can I try?
Wait, who sent that picture?
I keep getting blown by you.
Oh, we got mine. Oh, never did.
Wait, can I try it? Hold on, I can't.
You tried to punch.
Stop, let me try it.
Okay.
Why does it not work on you?
I don't.
Mine!
No, I already claimed it. Ooh,
But I digged for it.
no, I did. Get away! Oh wait, oh wait,
Mine! Yes!
Jack, you can continue coming with me looking for ores since you're not that strong in this world, okay?
Okay. We're the same length. We're both unranked class hero.
Oh no, I'm way higher than you. I'm way higher.
That one's yours.
Oh no, it's yours. I already have enough ores. I just need to keep punching. Almost to the next. Oops, stop. Sorry. Oops, this way. Green, mine. Oh! I started this one. Jack, where are you?
And I just got flung.
Where are you? I said I was gonna help you. Okay, come on. Let's start digging.
We need to crack this thing.
Come on.
Val, are you excited to see my reaction to what you keep killing me when you watch this video?
Sorry.
Oh, there's one.
Go to the next world.
I think I have enough. Let me get.
Wait.
Isabella!
You self-entitled princess.
Selfish! I've been stuck being perfect my whole entire life, and literally, the only thing you have ever done for me is mess things up!
Die, Isabella, die!
Nothing is messed up! You can still marry that big dumb hunk. I never wanted to marry him! I was doing it for the family!
One chance, and you were doing it for the dust! Die, family, die, Isabella, die!
Oh my god! Did you see that?
I can go to the next world! Peace out! Bye! Bye! I'll see you never!
Do I have enough to go? No!
You need 12,000 to get to the next world. 12,000 strength. Well, fly!
This is gonna take me a while.
Ooh, this place is cool. I'm gonna stay in the safe zone until we get here.
No! No! I just got flung off! No, I just got killed!
Wait, Jack, how about we go back to first one and see how our power...
We can.
Go back to first...
Let's go back to the first one.
Yeah, let's see how our power has improved. Right. I want to tell you my power first. Where are you?
I'm going to the previous area, so we have to. I'll see you at the first level. All right, the previous level.
I see you. Okay, Jack. Look how strong I am.
All right, let's see how strong I am.